idziesz do no, a mamka, pozdrów mamka, no. Right guys, so it's Boxing Day today. I thought I'd get something done, it's going to be bored otherwise. So I've come down to the apartment and I pulled up the kitchen, which is flat back. I absolutely freaking hate. So I don't know, I might do like a half day just putting together units, see how it goes. Wish I wasn't doing it, but it is what it is. But yeah, I hope you guys had a good Christmas and you're gonna have a good New Year as well. I've been with friends in our family, eating Slovakian Christmas dinner. Miss English Christmas dinner a little bit, to be honest. Maybe next year. But yeah, I'm gonna crack on. Like I say, hope you guys had a nice Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Just two friends, real inevitable. Tu chica